Welcome back to Impact Math with Miss Taylor. Alrighty, let's divide rational expressions. So, we got to know how to factor. That's the first step, okay? We have to know how to factor this. So, I'm going to let's factor all our trinomials first this time, okay? So, we're going to go to straight to parentheses. When you have a negative, your signs are going to be positive, negative, okay? Then you ask yourself, what times what gets you x squared? Well, x times x gets me x squared. What times what gets us 80? Well, 8 and 10 does. But we need it to add to -2. Well, 8 and 10. When we do 8 minus 10, that gets us -2. All right. Let's factor the bottom. 2 parentheses. We have double negative, so it's going to be plus minus x squared, x times x. And then what times what gets us 18? Well, 6 and 3 does. We need a -3. So we're going to put a +3 and a -6 because when we do 3 minus 6, we get a -3. Let's keep that division sign because all we're focusing on is just factoring right now. Okay, we're doing one step at a time. So we're going to just factor. So I'm going to break out my 2 parentheses. Ooh, my B is the only negative. My middle is the only negative. Both terms must be negative. X times x gets me x squared. And what times what gives me 70? And add to 17, 7 and 10. All right. Now we're on our last one. Parenthesis. I only have positives. All signs have to be positives. X times x gets me x squared. What times what gets me 3? 1 and 3. And 1 plus 3 gets me 4. All right, now you have to go back to your dividing fractions. Remember, we have to do the keep, change, flip. We can never divide fractions. We have to change it to multiplication. So this stays as is. So I'm just going to rewrite this. Because that's all staying the same. So x plus 8, x minus 10, x plus 3, x minus 6. We're changing this to multiplication. And then we have to flip this. Some people call it the reciprocal. You'll probably see that in your math books. That just means flip, okay? So I'm putting the denominator as the numerator. And I'm putting this numerator now as the new denominator. All right. Now, this is the fun part. What can we cross out? Well, you can cross out anything that is the same. So this x minus 10 crosses out with x minus 10. I have an x plus 3. I have an x plus 3 on the bottom, so that's out. Do I have anything else? It doesn't look like it, or I can't see it right now. So I'm just going to write what I have left. I have an x plus 8, and I have this x plus 1 as my numerator. Over my denominator, I have x minus 6 and x minus 7. And this is how you divide rational expressions. Alrighty, I hope that helps. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Don't forget to hit that follow button. And I most definitely will catch you on the next one. Bye.